In today's video, we try our hardest to dock at Ocean Cay, but to no avail. We ended up checking out the unplanned lunch in the main dining room and danced the night away for tropical night. All that and more starts now. Well, hello, good morning, and welcome back to Here Today, Where Tomorrow, not at Ocean Cay. Wah wah. That's correct. We were here, we started backing in, we were relatively close, then we stopped and pulled back out, and now the island is nowhere to be seen. They did dredge a bunch of area out for the World America, and so I almost wonder, did they dig too deep, you know? Did they create an undertow in that inlet? So these ships get, I don't know, I'm not a doctor, so. I think we are going to go to breakfast though. Main dining room opens in 2 minutes, so we're gonna go down there. I looked at the menu, no Eggs Benedict, so there's that. This door does not close and lock all the way. And it like rattles. Do you hear it? That happened all night last night. Oh my God, it drove me up the wall. Okay. Ready, kid?
Ready.
All right, breakfast it is. Let's do it. Okay, so we have made it here to breakfast. I'm going to go ahead and throw the menu up there for you to check out. Like I said, no Eggs Benedict. So what's the point of even being here? I'm not sure. They do have smoked salmon, which is nice, but Eggs Benedict's really a missed opportunity for me. But do not forget to bring your emergency rations of coffee creamer if you are a coffee connoisseur like myself. My love. Take your stash. I am going to do the express breakfast over easy. Yeah, and then can I do the smoked salmon bagel and cream cheese with extra cream cheese? Can I also do a donut?
A donut?
Yes.
Alright, so
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. They did just make an announcement, and it seems like we are going to try again later for Ocean Cay. So we'll see. So we have made our way here up to the Brooklyn Lounge. We were downstairs by the chocolate bar. Katie got a specialty coffee, a caramel ice latte, which was very good. Their chocolate specialty coffee, chocolate mixture is superb. But they were doing a Sudoku game down there, and so it was getting kind of loud. So we came up here to the Brooklyn Lounge and just popped a squat. We made a new friend, Melissa. Shout out to Melissa. Hey. She's cruising solo right now, but we met through the Facebook page, which I've said this before and I'll say this again. If you're going to go cruising, join a cruising Facebook group for your specific sailing, and that way you will make friends before you even get on the ship, so that when you get on board, you already have hundreds of friends ready to meet you. So it is not looking good. So we went out on the after the ship, pouring down rain. We were this close. I'll put in a little clip right here that I got on my phone because it was pouring down rain and this camera's not waterproof. We were this close, but we were drifting dangerously close to the edge of where they've dredged it out, and we just all steam ahead, and we went full power forward. So I don't know that we're going to make it. And looking, I'll show you this. This is one of the glass floors. I don't know if you could see, but it is pouring down rain out there. So yeah, we've come kind of to a weird standstill where like they haven't said we're not going, but everyone's pretty much sure that we're not going to Ocean Cay, which is honestly devastating. I will admit, it's playing Hit Me Baby One More Time, and she just said the lyrics that I just said, so. Hit me baby one more time. Sorry, can't. Just, when the Queen comes on, you gotta sing her. Yeah, so I have to admit that it is probably more than 50% of the reason why we're on this ship is for Ocean Cay. Ocean Cay is by far one of my favorite private islands. Everything that's included, your alcohol package, any of your drink packages, whether that's alcohol or non, your Wi-Fi package, it all works on the island. They have the lighthouse show, which is super awesome. We actually did an excursion. We were going to climb the lighthouse and go up to the top of that and get some awesome shots of from the top of the lighthouse. The lighthouse show, the beach party, late night beach party, it's awesome. And all those things look like they're being washed away with the rain, which is quite sad. I had a ton of stuff that I was planning to do on Ocean Cay, so I don't know, at a loss. Kind of sucks. This happens, obviously, and it's, something that you just have to go with the flow, but it really sucks. Okay, so we are at a shared table. Hopefully we have some nice friends come join us. I'm gonna throw the menu up here. This is completely new to me. None of this I've ever done before, so really interested to see how this works out. So you'll be experiencing this for the first time like me. I'd like to do the pasta trio and the chicken. And then if I could do the pistachio tiramisu parfait. And that'll be it. Thank you.
And after that delicious meal, the rain put us straight to sleep for all afternoon.
They have officially canceled Ocean Cay, which makes us very sad because that's one of the big reasons we are here. However, we're going to make the best of it. Well, we have made it to dinner. I'm going to go ahead and throw the menu up here next to me. Let's see here. Do a screen record. And here we are. Looks like we have some pretty good things on the menu tonight. So I'm going to do the mussels. And then I'm also going to do the chicken lettuce wraps. Then I'm going to do the swordfish. Yep. And then if I could do the gato opera. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. So dinner was delicious as always. They got the order right this time, so good for them. That was awesome. Food was really good. Swordfish steak was really good. We've come back to the room real quick to drop some stuff off, and we are heading to the comedian. They usually don't let you film in there. Plus, it'd be kind of weird to show you a joke or two, so not really worth it. So I'm actually going to leave all the camera gear here. I'm just going to go with my phone in my pocket, smile on my face, and a beautiful girl on my arm, my wife. Meanwhile, enjoy what I'm hoping is a nice sunset. So let's put on some music, let's chill a little bit. Thanks for joining me on this video. Thanks for sticking so far into the video with me here. Enjoy this sunset. I made it just for you. So we went upstairs, got some za, back to the room, hung out for a little bit. Now it's time to party. Got my tropical shirt on. We're gonna go do a little dance, make a little love. Get down tonight, get down tonight. We've come at last to the end of the evening. A little sweaty, a little hot. Danced out there. Tropical night, tropical shirt, you know, the whole 9 yards. What a great day it was today, even though we didn't get to go to Ocean Cay. That was very sad, but at the same time, the show must go on, and so it went on. And we have another sea day tomorrow, and now we've added Roatan. So we'll get to do an update since the last time we went to Cox and Hole, which it's been a minute, so it'll be nice to see what else they've gotten done in Cox and Hole. So a little bonus, if you will. Well, that's going to do it for me here tonight. Gotta unload the cameras, charge them all up, and we'll do it again tomorrow. My name's Rob from Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we'll see you there.
If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring that little bell. We upload new videos every week.